Today I will be presenting on convergence of large margin separable linear classification by Tang Zhang for computational methods in industrial engineering course. I will start with an overview of research, then explain the mathematical model used, and finally discuss the key results and their practical implications. Here I will explain some concepts on binary classification and the paper focuses on classifying data points into one of two classes minus one and one using linear discriminant function. And linearly separable problems have separable data set which can be divided by into two classes by by a large margin hyperplane. Here I will explain about research goals. The primary goal is to challenge existing understanding of how quickly error rates decrease with sample size. Zhang introduces distribution robustness as a crucial factor in determining convergence behavior. A key aim is to prove that classification error can decay exponentially with sample size under certain conditions. This is significant because previous works only established 1 over n convergence rate. Problem statement. The central problem is that traditional error bounds suggest 1 over n convergence rate, as I said. However, in practice, we sometimes observe exponential convergence. The paper argues that traditional margin-based analysis miss a critical factor, which is the robustness. The key question is under what condition can large margin classifiers achieve exponential convergence? Research contribution. The papers make several important contributions. First, the paper introduces the concept of robustness. Second, proves exponential convergence is possible. It identifies the relationship between robustness and margin. It demonstrates why outliers dramatically affect on convergence rate. And finally, unifies various theoretical framework that previously gave different conclusion. So the concept of robustness. Robustness is determined by how sensitive the optimal solution is to outliers, and for robust distribution, error rates decrease exponentially with sample size. Mathematical model. As you can see in the slide, this is optimization model for our classification problem. The first term is the average loss on training data set, and the second term is regularization term, and lambda is the parameter of regularization. As we can see in this problem, the dimension of our inputs and outputs would be same, and for some examples and numerical example, we can use this optimization objective function for loss function, because sometimes the dimension of our inputs and outputs are not same. Also the paper analyzing two optimization formulation, for one for hard margin problems, second for soft margin problems. Hard margin problems are linearly separable problems, which here we have an optimization formulation for these problems, and also soft margin problems have don't have don't have a clearly separable data set. So, theoretical development. This paper proves that the expected misclassification error is bounded by this term that you are seeing in the slide, and also the paper shows that for linearly separable problems, the error rate can decay exponentially with increase of n. So here we examine numerical example with MNIST dataset. Here in this code, I am preparing the MNIST dataset to work with it in the following. I'm also filtering the dataset, choosing digit 3 and 4 to work on classification between these two digits, and also I'm preparing the data. I'm normalizing pixels value between 1 and 0 and 1, and adding bias term. Okay. Um, Here we have sigmoid function for activation function, and also I'm using cross entropy loss function instead of using this paper's loss function, because as I said, the dimension of inputs and outputs are not same in this MNIST problem, because the dimension of inputs are 785 by considering bias, and the dimension of outputs is 10. So here I'm adding outlier by flipping the label of some outputs for investigating the behavior of convergence rate of the model. So we are examining this experiment here by using W initial, step size, and iter max. And also here I'm calculating, in this code, I'm calculating theoretical convergence rate with traditional model, which is 1 over n, and also exponential model. And also these are theoretical models. And also I'm calculating the error for actual data, our data set, which is MNIST digits 3 and 4. And also we are plotting this code, we are plotting the result. As we can see in the chart, the red line is for data set with outliers, 10% outliers. The red one is 5% outliers, as we can, and the blue one is for without outliers. And as we can see that at the beginning, the amount of misclassification error for red one and the green one is higher than blue one, because they have outliers, but their convergence rate is not linear. Their convergence rate is somehow exponential and fit with theoretical exponential error, and also this is logarithmic chart. So, as we can see in the chart, the red and green lines show an order of magnitude improvement in misclassification error. The red and green lines, 5% and 10% outliers, start with a much higher error rate. Their convergence behavior is more complicated and non-monotonic. For clean data, which is blue line, the exponential fit appears to match the data slightly better than 1 over n. For data with outliers, red one and green one, there's a dramatic drop at a very large sample size. And green and red lines for real data have a larger drop rate than the blue line, which is without outliers. This suggests that the classifier can overcome the outlier challenge with sufficient data. So the contribution of paper is it shows that the previous bound based only on the margin could be loose. It identifies that the robustness of a distribution affects convergence rates. It proves that exponential convergence is possible for robust distribution, and at the end it established even a small fraction of outliers can dramatically increase error in classification. At the end, for practical implications, we can see that even when a classification problem is linearly separable with a large margin, the presence of outliers in the data distribution can significantly impact the convergence rate of the expected classification, misclassification error. Proper regularization is crucial for good performance, and removing outliers can potentially improve convergence rates of the misclassification error. And at the end, for a robust problem, we may need significantly fewer samples than previous thought. Thank you for your attention.